NCLH Stock Analysis and Price Predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Norwegian Cruise Line Holdings stock is sitting at 28 bucks and it is 7.73% up today. To be very honest and quite frank with you, I'm still looking to take things up. You know, even with my previous prediction, I was already looking for like the same thing. Now let me show you the proof of that. Have this here. Okay, yeah, this is where we are. Chart. Why doesn't this want to move, man? Okay, here we are. So I was willing to take things up, but it just plummeted and then delivered up, which is self-explanatory because we had a pretty decent level and a pretty decent demand zone here. So we just kind of respected it. And honestly, like, although my bias was bullish, I just abandoned the stock when it kept going down. And now we're here. So guess what? I mean, obviously I want to see these highs get cleared out next, but it's way too late for me to try and do anything, you know, to be quite frank with you. So I'm going to keep an eye. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and easy way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.